Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I will show you how to install a free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. So first, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content in the internet, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. As you can see, 2IP shows that I am now in Poland, but now open Play Market, here find Turbo VPN and install it. Open, choose Start Now, tap on the cross on the right corner of application, and now in the right top corner of the screen there is a globe, and by clicking on it you can choose which country to connect to. So, for example, I want to connect to Germany, choose Frankfurt, press OK, wait a while, and cool. Now we can check what 2IP says now. Cool. 2IP site shows that we are now in Germany, and that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.